honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I started out to film this. Getting ready to grill a T-bone steak, and it's frozen. So yes, you can grill frozen foods in the Foodi extra large grill. So I'm gonna lower this. I've already seasoned the steak. I'm just waiting for the. It's a thick steak, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I put on it. Of course, I put on my yellow mustard. I put on the sweet Mesquite seasoning. It smells like barbecue. Well, smoke. Put on black pepper. So slap your mama. And some Worcestershire. I put in this spray bottle. So wait for this to finish preheating so I can put the steak in there. I'm tired of waiting. So I'm going to put it in here. But I want the grill mark, so I'll wait. It set itself for 10 minutes, but I think I'm going to set it for 15 minutes because it's frozen and the steak is thick. I think I can eat off of that 2 times. Walter looking at it. He already ate. And he's looking at mine. And yes, I seasoned the frozen steak. So as the steak cooks and thaws out, the seasonings will sink down in it. So it will still be a perfectly seasoned steak. So this thing's been preheating for a while now. But I do want the grill mark, so I'll let it finish. Sprinkle some more Worcestershire on the steak. Adds a lot of flavor. Okay, when this beeps for me to add the food, then I'll be back. Okay, I knew time I turned this off, this would beep. So it says add the food. So that's the, what you call it? The grill thing. That's for steaks. Oh, I hope this steak ain't too thick. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, it's good. Okay, I'll be back, y'all. I'm going to set it for 15 minutes. I want a medium well steak. 15 minutes. Okay. I'll be back. Okay, I just want to show y'all that I flipped the steak just now. And I put a baked potato in here. So I got a little over 6 minutes left to go. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'm going to add this piece of garlic bread toast. My daughter put garlic bread in the air fryer, so I'm going to do it too. Well, you know what? I need to sprinkle this on this side. I see them grill marks on the steak. Okay. I'll be back. Okay. I was about to say this is about to beep. Okay, I hope the bread ain't burnt. Uh-oh. Let me see what the bread doing. Okay. That's good. Okay. I don't know about this potato. and Walter Whitney had barbecue at this joint called Bandanas. So we had baked potatoes and we had garlic bread left over. So I put butter in here and salt and pepper. Oh yeah, nice and warm. Right now I'm trying to get it. I'm trying to let this steak rest, but I'm going to test it. So it should read at least 145. I want it to read like 165. Okay, I see a blood spot. I don't want nothing still walking around, moving. It ain't done. Okay, let me set it for a few more minutes until I turn it again. I mean, it's thawed out, but see how this side looks. Wonderful. And let it cook another maybe 3 minutes. Then it continues to cook because it's still hot. I mean, the carryover heat is still cooking the steak, but I'm gonna put some more fire up under it. I ain't preheating nothing no more. So I'll take the temperature when it comes out. Yeah, that's edible. Foil don't stay hot long. Ooh, yeah, that's good. Y'all can't actually see the potato. Let me peel this back some. Okay, now I'm going to take the temp. This is where 155, 159 is done, but I don't want it to be rare at all. I know this side is done. Oh, this says, okay, it's coming up slowly. This part is more done than the rest of it. It must be thinner. Tired of waiting. I won't keep coming here looking at my food. I'll give him some, but he have to wait till I get my thumbnail. I test steak by cutting it. You're supposed to let it rest. This is a huge steak. Ooh, juicy. Let me turn this off. I'll wash that later, and I got foil up under there. So I just got to wash this grill thing. Okay. I'm going to cut this steak. That's how I tell if it's done or not. I don't want it too rare. Supposed to let it rest for how long? I don't know. But I don't want no bloody steak. cut a piece out. I think Walter can have half of it. This is huge. Oh, it's done. Okay, good. So it cooked for 17 minutes. Medium well? I don't know. Put this piece back in there. Get my thumbnail picture. Then I'm going to taste it. Okay, let me take this off. This is my steak dinner with no sauce on it. Y'all know I'm going to put some Heinz 57 sauce and some A1. Okay. That's my thumbnail. That's with the sauce on it. See the butter inside the potato and the salt and the pepper. Okay, I just cut a little piece. Good and juicy. This is good, y'all. Got my sauces on here. Nice and tender. Recycled garlic bread. Ooh. Don't taste stale. Let me taste some of this potato. Recycled potato. Nice and warm through and through. Been in the refrigerator. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment. And subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. It's 5:54 here. I'm just not eating. I don't know if Walter's going to get any of this. Okay. Bon appetit. Y'all be blessed.